Hi guys, come with me, watch how I transform this afro hair into a clean paper fade. Please subscribe to my channel guys, and let's dive into the video. As you can see, I'm combing the hair to make it look neater because we're about to make it cut. Now I take my trimmer to remove the hair at the side. As you can see guys, gently we do that, we clean. Let's watch how I remove this. After that, we head to the back. We clean the back also gently. This is for beginner guide, so subscribe to my channel. As we do that, also we head over to the other side also to do some action. This is the other side. As we clean it off, clean it perfect, then I take my clipper, reduce it down to set a guide. This is the first level. After that, I reduce this again and go again. After that, I make it the other side also, just like that. I make it very neat guys. After that, I went also to the back to make the same, and the back also, just like that. First we set the first guide, as you can see in this video guys. Over the other side also, we take the same action over to the other side. Now guys, as we are done, I'm taking my guide. This is guide 4. As you can see here, we take it to maneuver the hair first before we can use our step 1. After that also, we do it at the back also. As you can see, we maneuver it at the back also. Please guys, you have to take your time. You know, this is a beginner tutorial and you have to make it look neat guys. Now we headed over to the other side also and make the same thing. Just gently, 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 gently. I repeat guys, gently. And don't forget to keep brushing your hair while you do it. After that, we go over to our step 1. Here is the most important thing. You do it gently, upward, and also sideways. You know, gently and gently. We go over to the other side also at the back. We take it upward. It's our step 1 also. And when we do it, please, you need a brush to be brushing it to make sure that the fading is also neat. As you can see, I'm taking my brush to brush it. You can keep doing it until you get it right. Just trust the process guys, trust the process. Subscribe to my channel. I assure you, you will learn, and you will learn barbering for good, for free, just for free guys. Also to the other side, the same thing. Don't need to maneuver it up. You see it, just go up, you go down, you just go sideways. Take your brush and take it down. Yes guys, it's that simple guys. After that, I remove the step 1 to make sure that the first guideline is clean. Yes guys, make sure you can do it also. When you are done with the step 1, also take a brush. Now we go over to the shape up guys. See, I'm using a powder because I prefer this, because if I use it on a client, I will be able to clean it while I do my enhancement also. So it helped me to maneuver some mistakes of the hairline, guys. So let's watch how we do the hairline, guys. As you can see, I'm taking it gently. Now we head over to the back also, make it gently, just like that. You can head over to my channel if you want to learn how to make a hairline, a crispy hairline on your client also, guys. Over to the other side also, and don't forget to take a best good trimmer, guys. Now also we head over to the other side also, guys. We take it gently. In a place you didn't do well, we clean the powder and we do it, guys. That's why we use the powder, and I prefer using the powder first, guys. For beginner guides only, guys. This is gonna help you in your barbering journey, I promise you, and I assure you that. Now guys, as we are done, we're going to go for the enhancement. This is one of the basic way and the best way for enhancement on this cut side, guys. You go over, after you have the help, also have your brush to brush it to make it neat, guys. By using this type of enhancement, I promise you this is the best and the best you can learn from my channel. Subscribe to my channel to learn this kind of enhancement, because this is the best in Africa, and people are recommending this black dye enhancements at the side. Also we go to the upside also, the same thing with some action. So guys, the other side also, gently guys. I'm going to be making another video on this enhancement, guys. We need to learn together. We will learn together, guys. After that, we go up there gently, guys. You know, this is your first time, so you have to take it gently. Make sure that everything aligns with the hair. Also, don't forget to brush it. No. And after that, you can go over to our fiber. This is the fiber spray. We apply the fiber spray, and we can now apply the fiber. But guess what, guys? You can only, if you have holiday, the first method I used, the dye method, is okay for beginners and looks more natural. So why I put this fiber, this dust fiber, is to make the line also crispy. You know, when I use a lamp set on it, guys. So you can also learn this one also, but this is not compulsory, guys. I'm still going to make a video on how to use the fiber, guys. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Also the other side, guys, we're going to still make the same thing over there. Gently, there's the fiber, and the up there you see there is the pump. Also we go through it gently and professionally, guys. And guys, after that, my client is looking good. Then I just apply the spray and take the sponge to roll his hair. My client was looking happy, as you can see, as you can tell here. He's feeling himself right now. look at this nice. Also subscribe to my channel with this kind of content, guys. Look at it. Oh guys, please rate my haircut, guys. Oh, good. Subscribe to my channel. Let's go, guys. Subscribe to my channel.